Welcome everyone to HFN, also known as HueFin News, where we trade different. Today is the first day of December 2020, and here we are. We're going to talk about Polkadot today and give y'all an update on what our expectations will be according to the trap. Now, if this is your first time ever watching our videos here on this particular platform, the trap is the individual who controls the market. It's plain and simple. He directs the flow of the price in the cryptocurrency space, and there is one trap for every market that you see. They control, like in this particular situation, Polkadot, this individual, the one you see on the bottom left side of my screen, he controls this market for the Binance exchange. And it's just like that on every other exchange out there, on Bittrex, Kraken, Coinbase, Gemini, all these other cryptocurrency markets, exchanges have an individual who controls the price. And that is what we do. We simply follow what he is laying down for us to give us an expectation as to where the market is headed. And we're going to give you an example of that today on this video. So if this is your first time watching our video, make sure before you go, you hit the like button, you subscribe to our channel. We're here to give you information that is beneficial to you without wasting your time, without spending 25-30 minutes talking about articles that you can simply read for yourself to get a gauge as to what is anticipated in the cryptocurrency space as a whole. But when you nail it down, the only thing that matters is the price. Everyone is worried about the price. So once you understand that, you guys will see how valuable the information is that we possess. So let's get started. You guys can see right here from our last video in Polkadot, which was on November the 16th. We told you to expect the market to go higher. That was our expectation of the trap. We wanted to see him increase the value of Polkadot, and did he? Look at the market right now. You guys can see how high the trap brought the value of Polkadot. So here we were, November the 16th. We told you all to expect the market to go higher. We had ultimate TP around $4.80, which was about 8.35%. And you guys can see that he definitely exceeded our expectations right there. Market topped out all the way up here on November the 24th at 37, almost 38% profitability right there. To get out right now, be about 20.75%. That's not difficult. It's not hard. So that is done. That is over. Let's talk about what we are seeing now. So the market changes. So with every change that occurs in the market, you have to be flexible right along with the changes. So the question was, the market in Polkadot. Well, this is the question. Are we still trading in a channel? From our last video, we had $4.50 as restriction and $3.90 as support. Are we trading in that channel today? Emphatically, the answer is no, we're not. So how applicable is our channel today? It's not. So why keep it? Let's clean up our chart. So we now know that this $3.90 area that was acting as support previously is no longer applicable. There's no point of having it there. This area though, $4.50, the market came and tagged those areas as support 2 days. November 26th and then on the 27th. So this area is still applicable. So now the new support area going forward for Polkadot is going to be $4.50. Don't let no one else tell you anything different. Right? Now, you can see today that the market in Polkadot is finding some restriction right around here. Okay. $5.50. That is the near-term restriction. You guys can see that we topped out into the market in Polkadot at $6. So that's where we're at too. Okay. So let's bring it up here to $6. So we are seeing a new area of consolidation. Correct. Now, when I look at this, I'm not seeing anything that would substantiate Polkadot being in a trend. The only trend that Polkadot is in is just trading sideways. That's it. We're not in a ascending trend. We're not in a declining trend. We're simply trading between $6 all the way back down to $4. Ever since it's been trading on Binance. That's it. So this market in Polkadot is not trading like Ethereum. It is not trading like Bitcoin. Matter of fact, let me show you that. So here's Bitcoin right here. Let's go ahead and move this over to the daily time frame. Okay. So here we are. This is Bitcoin's trend. Bitcoin is in a upward trend. Polkadot is not. It's just trading in the channel. That lets you know that there's two different traps composing these two different markets. Don't let no one else think otherwise, that Bitcoin trades and leads all other altcoins higher, because it doesn't. Bitcoin is in a massive uptrend. Polkadot is trading sideways. So people need to let that understanding go, because that is not going on. So let's get rid of this. So we're starting a new month. Let's look at Polkadot real quick on the monthly time frame. And here we are. We were able to at least make some movement higher price compared to the last 2 months in Polkadot. Right there in October and September, we were able to at least come back into an area of stability, I would say. Okay, not a lot going on there on the monthly time frame. Very positive to see that play out. Again, the 3-week time frame, we're still noticing that there is weakness, selling coming into this current 3-week price bar. We acknowledge that. Now, monthly time frame, again, there's nothing here into the market in Polkadot to substantiate that we're going to break out or even break down from this trading channel. There's nothing at all. 5-day chart, this market $5.50 is definitely holding back Polkadot. Just here to tell you that right now. $5.50 is very important for us to see the trap break to the upside in order for us to really see this trend continue. You can see a very slight trend playing out into the market in Polkadot. Okay. Now, what do you expect the market in Polkadot to do? Are you expecting him to continue to trade his market sideways, or are you expecting him to continue this slight upward trend? So even though the market in Polkadot is trading in this channel, this trend is still higher in price though. I would definitely tell you that. Okay. So what we're going to do, make our chart clean. I'm going to get rid of this $4.50 area for support. We understand that. But over the last couple of 3-day price bars, you guys can see that the trend has been slightly higher within that channel. So that's how we're going to play this particular forecast in Polkadot. Okay. We're going to continually play the strength into the market until the trap breaks this movement to the downside. Okay. So right now we are going to put in a forecast into the market to still see Polkadot go higher in price. Now we have some areas to focus in on. This market in Polkadot will continually try to push higher in price until we see this market trap break support below below $5. Okay. But I'm gonna bring the support area back down to around $4.75 in the midst of him trying to increase the value of Polkadot. So we're still going to track this trend that the market currently is being seen in for Polkadot. But again, contingent on him keeping price above $5, even $4.80. That's it. So now we have an expectation. What is your expectation into the market in Polkadot for the next 2 weeks, next 14 days? Where will price be? Let me know with a comment in the comment section. And don't make it complicated. because the market is not supposed to be complicated. There's enough confusion already out there in this space. Henceforth, why so many people lose money. Tell me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain a profitability and trade different.